Picture this. You step out of your sleek, modern Barndominium onto a covered patio where your outdoor kitchen is already fired up. The smell of grilled steaks fills the air while your family splashes in the crystal-clear pool just steps away. The sun is setting, casting shadows along your dramatic single-slope roofline, and you realize this is not just a backyard. This is your personal resort. And here's the kicker. This entire setup is more achievable in 2026 than you might think. I'm about to show you exactly how single-slope barndominiums with outdoor kitchens and pools are revolutionizing outdoor living, and why this design combination is absolutely dominating the barndominium world right now. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes to create this stunning lifestyle upgrade. And I'm even going to reveal the design secrets that make these exteriors look like they belong in architectural magazines. So smash that subscribe button right now, because you're going to want to save this information for when you're ready to build your dream outdoor space. What is a single-slope barndominium? Let's start with the foundation of this design. A single-slope barndominium, also called a monoslope or shed roof barndominium, features a roof that slopes in one continuous plane from high to low. Unlike traditional gable roofs that peak in the middle, the single slope creates a dramatic, modern silhouette that's become the signature look of contemporary barndominiums in 2026. This isn't just about aesthetics, though the look is absolutely stunning. The single slope design serves several critical functions. First, it's incredibly cost-effective. You're building one simple roof plane instead of complex, multifaceted designs, which cuts labor costs by up to 20% according to recent build data. Second, the high side of the slope creates opportunities for massive windows or glass walls that flood your interior with natural light. Third, and this is huge for our topic today, the extended low side of the slope creates perfect coverage for outdoor living spaces, your kitchen, your dining area, and that transition zone between your pool and your home. The pitch typically runs at a 4:12 or 6:12 ratio, which means for every 12 horizontal feet, the roof rises 4 to 6 feet. This provides excellent drainage for rain and snow while creating that sleek, modern profile that makes people stop and stare. Why this design dominates outdoor living. Here's where things get really interesting. The single slope design is practically made for integrating outdoor kitchens and pool areas. Let me explain why this combination works so perfectly. The extended roofline on the low side naturally creates a covered outdoor living area. This isn't a small patio overhang we're talking about. You can extend this roof 12, 16, even 20 feet beyond your exterior wall, creating massive covered outdoor space that's protected from sun and rain. This is where your outdoor kitchen lives, and it's already sheltered without building a separate pavilion or pergola. You're saving tens of thousands of dollars right there. The architectural flow is seamless. From inside your barndominium, you look through those massive windows on the high side, across your open concept living space, and directly out to your covered patio, outdoor kitchen, and pool beyond. The single slope literally guides your eye from interior to exterior in one smooth visual line. It's architectural genius, and it creates that indoor-outdoor lifestyle that everyone craves. Pool placement becomes intuitive with this design. The covered patio area serves as your transition zone, your outdoor kitchen and dining area under the roof, then the pool just beyond in full sun. You're creating distinct zones without walls, all flowing together in perfect harmony. The outdoor kitchen component. Now let's talk about what makes an outdoor kitchen truly functional in 2026, especially when integrated with a single-slope barndominium design. The covered area under your extended roofline gives you approximately 300 to 600 square feet of protected outdoor kitchen and dining space, depending on your budget and lot size. This isn't a standalone grill on a cart. We're talking about a full outdoor cooking and entertainment zone. Essential components include a built-in grill station, typically 36 to 48 inches wide with multiple burners. Many homeowners are adding pizza ovens or smokers as secondary cooking elements. You need a sink with running water. This requires plumbing, but it's absolutely worth it for food prep and cleanup. Refrigeration is key, either a built-in outdoor refrigerator or a beverage center. Counter space should be generous, at least 6 to 8 feet of prep area using weather-resistant materials like granite, concrete, or tile. Storage cabinets keep your outdoor cooking tools, dishes, and supplies protected from the elements. Bar seating is becoming standard. A raised counter with 4 to 6 bar stools creates casual dining right at the kitchen, perfect for entertaining while you cook. The overhead roof from your single-slope design means you can install permanent lighting, ceiling fans, even outdoor heaters for year-round use. Material choices matter in outdoor kitchens. Stainless steel appliances stand up to weather. Stone or concrete countertops handle heat and moisture. Weather-resistant cabinetry, either marine-grade polymer or stainless steel, lasts for decades. The single-slope roof protects everything from direct rain, but you still need materials designed for outdoor exposure and temperature fluctuations. Cost-wise, a quality outdoor kitchen under your Barndominium's extended roofline runs $15,000 to $45,000, depending on finishes and appliances. Compare this to building a separate covered pavilion at $20,000 to $35,000, plus the kitchen itself, and you see the value of the integrated design. The pool exterior design. The pool is where this entire design comes together, visually and functionally. Placement and design integration with your single-slope Barndominium and outdoor kitchen create that resort-style aesthetic. Pool positioning should be 10 to 20 feet from your covered patio area. This creates a visual separation while maintaining easy access. You walk from your kitchen, across the patio, and your poolside. The single-slope roofline provides a dramatic backdrop, especially when the high side of your Barndominium features large windows or metal cladding that reflects light. Popular pool sizes for Barndominium properties range from 12 by 24 feet for lap-style pools to 16 by 32 feet for family recreational pools. Shapes tend toward rectangular or geometric modern designs that complement the clean lines of single-slope architecture. Curved or kidney-shaped pools work too, but angular designs create better visual harmony with the Barndominium structure. Decking materials should coordinate with your outdoor kitchen finishes. Concrete is durable and affordable, running $6 to $12 per square foot. Travertine or natural stone creates a high-end look at $15 to $30 per square foot. Composite decking works for above-ground or raised pools. Whatever you choose, it should tie visually to your patio materials for design cohesion. Landscaping around the pool softens the modern architecture. Native plants, ornamental grasses, and strategically placed trees provide privacy and visual interest. Many homeowners add a fire pit area adjacent to the pool for evening entertainment, creating multiple outdoor gathering zones. Fencing is often required by code. Rather than seeing this as a negative, use fencing as a design element. Black aluminum fencing creates modern lines. Horizontal wood slat fencing adds warmth and privacy. Glass panel fencing maintains sight lines while meeting safety requirements. Pool costs vary dramatically based on size and features. A basic in-ground gunite pool runs $35,000 to $65,000. Fiberglass pools cost $25,000 to $50,000 and install faster. Add features like heating, lighting, waterfalls, or spa jets, and you're looking at $50,000 to $100,000 total. Remember that pool maintenance runs $100 to $300 monthly for chemicals and cleaning services. Design cohesion and aesthetic choices. Creating a cohesive design between your single-slope Barndominium, outdoor kitchen, and pool requires intentional material and color choices. This is where good design separates from great design. Your Barndominium exterior sets the tone. Single-slope designs typically feature metal siding in modern colors like charcoal gray, black, white, or natural galvanized silver. Some incorporate wood accents or board and batten siding on feature walls. Whatever your exterior cladding, carry these materials or colors into your outdoor living spaces. The covered patio ceiling can expose structural beams, paint them to match your trim, or install tongue and groove wood for warmth. Outdoor lighting fixtures should match your Barndominium style, whether industrial black metal, modern brushed nickel, or rustic Edison bulbs. Color palette coordination matters. If your Barndominium features dark metal siding, consider lighter stone or concrete for the patio and pool deck to create contrast. If your home is lighter colored, dark accent walls or darker hardscaping creates visual depth. The outdoor kitchen should feel like an extension of your indoor kitchen aesthetically. Similar cabinet styles, coordinating countertop materials, and matching hardware create continuity. This doesn't mean identical, just complementary. Pool tile and coping should tie into your overall color scheme. Blue pool tile is classic, but consider gray, black, or even green tones that work with your landscaping and architecture. Furniture and accessories complete the look. Weather-resistant outdoor furniture in modern profiles works best with single-slope design. Stick to 2 to 3 main colors across cushions, umbrellas, and decor items. Real costs and practical considerations. Let's get real about what this entire package actually costs in 2026, because I know that's what you're wondering. For a 50 by 60 single-slope Barndominium shell with extended roofline for outdoor living, you're looking at $70,000 to $95,000 for the building kit, foundation, and erection. The extended roofline for your covered patio adds approximately $8,000 to $15,000 to the shell cost, depending on how far you extend it. Outdoor kitchen costs run $15,000 for basic setups to $45,000 for high-end appliances and finishes. Pool installation ranges from $35,000 for basic in-ground to $85,000 for larger pools with features. Decking and patio work adds $8,000 to $20,000. Landscaping, fencing, and lighting contribute another $10,000 to $25,000. Total exterior package for single-slope Barndominium with integrated outdoor kitchen and pool, $146,000 to $285,000, depending on size, finishes, and features. This is in addition to your Barndominium interior finishing costs. Permits and inspections are required for pools in most jurisdictions. Budget $1,500 to $5,000 for permits, engineering, and inspections. Some areas have specific setback requirements for pools, typically 10 feet from property lines. Utility considerations include running electrical service to your outdoor kitchen and pool equipment, water supply for kitchen sink and pool fill, gas lines if using natural gas for grills or heaters, and drainage for pool and patio areas. These connections can add $5,000 to $12,000 to your project if not planned during initial construction. Timeline for the complete project runs approximately 4 to 7 months from breaking ground to swimming in your pool, assuming no major delays. Design benefits that matter. Why go through all this effort and expense? Let me tell you about the real benefits beyond just looking amazing. Property value increase is substantial. A well-designed outdoor living space with pool can add $50,000 to $150,000 to your property's appraised value, often more in resort areas or warm climates. The single-slope design itself is trending in 2026, making your property more attractive to modern buyers. Lifestyle enhancement is the main reason people build these. You're creating a private resort on your own property. Morning coffee on the patio, afternoon pool time with kids, evening entertaining around the outdoor kitchen, all without leaving home. This integration of indoor and outdoor living is what modern homeowners crave. Energy efficiency benefits come from the single-slope design. The high side windows flood the interior with natural light, reducing daytime lighting costs. Proper roof pitch and overhang shades the patio area, keeping it cooler naturally. Many owners add solar panels on the large south-facing roof slope, generating substantial power. Year-round usability in many climates makes the covered outdoor kitchen valuable even when pools are closed for winter. Add outdoor heaters or a fireplace, and you're using this space 10 to 12 months per year in moderate climates. Entertainment capability increases dramatically. You can host 30 to 50 people comfortably in a well-designed outdoor space with kitchen and pool, compared to 10 to 15 people max in a typical indoor living room. Design mistakes to avoid. Let me save you from the biggest mistakes I see people make with these projects. Undersizing the covered patio area. Don't skimp here. If you're extending that roof line, go at least 14 to 16 feet to create truly functional outdoor living space. A 10-foot extension feels cramped once you add kitchen elements and furniture. Poor traffic flow planning. You need clear pathways from house to kitchen to pool without people crossing through work zones. Plan the layout carefully before construction. Inadequate lighting. Outdoor spaces need multiple lighting layers: ambient overhead lighting, task lighting at the grill and prep areas, accent lighting around the pool, and pathway lighting for safety. Don't rely on a single overhead fixture. Ignoring shade at the pool. While you want sun on the pool itself, nearby seating areas need shade options. The covered patio provides some, but consider adding a pergola, shade sail, or umbrella area near the pool. Cheap outdoor kitchen appliances. Marine-grade or true outdoor-rated appliances cost more, but last. Indoor appliances in outdoor kitchens fail quickly despite seeming like a budget save. Not planning for future additions. Rough in electrical and plumbing for potential future elements even if not installing immediately. Adding a pool heater, spa jets, or additional appliances later is much cheaper if infrastructure exists. Single-slope barndominiums with integrated outdoor kitchens and pools represent the pinnacle of modern outdoor living design in 2026. The architectural harmony between the dramatic roofline, covered outdoor kitchen space, and resort-style pool creates properties that are both beautiful and highly functional. This design works best for properties with adequate lot size, typically 1 acre or more, though smaller lots can accommodate scaled versions. Climate matters too. These designs shine in warm climates with long outdoor seasons, but they're increasingly popular in moderate climates where extended roof lines create usable space beyond traditional pool season. Budget realistically. The complete package runs $150,000 to $300,000 for the outdoor components beyond your barndominium's basic structure. However, the value added to your property and lifestyle often exceeds this investment. Work with designers experienced in barndominium construction and outdoor living integration. The best results come from planning everything together, rather than adding pools and kitchens as afterthoughts. If this design resonates with you, your next steps include researching local building codes and pool requirements, getting multiple quotes from barndominium builders and pool contractors, visiting completed single-slope barndominiums with outdoor living spaces if possible, creating detailed plans that show the integration of all elements, and budgeting for the complete vision rather than building in disconnected phases. The single-slope barndominium with outdoor kitchen and pool isn't just a home. It's a lifestyle upgrade that brings resort-level outdoor living to your everyday life. If you found this information valuable, hit that like button and subscribe because we're continuing this series with deep dives into interior designs, specific builder recommendations, and detailed cost breakdowns. Drop a comment below if you're planning one of these builds or if you have questions about the design. I read every comment and I'll help point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.